Hi angels, welcome back to another video. So in this video, we're going to be making a decorating cowboy hat. I got a ton of decorating cream, some glitter, some cherries, everything. I was debating with whether or not I should post this video because it didn't turn out necessarily how I wanted it. I did make a completely different one. I'm pretty sure that I already posted that video. That one turned out better than this. But I still took time and effort in making this. So why not still post it? So everything that I'm using in this video is from Amazon. So yeah, let's get started. Also, I'll leave the link for everything that I'm using down in the description box down below. The hat looks so cute. I like it. Well, anywho, see? Now I need to be piping my decoden. So I got some white decoden and some pink decoden cream. And I'm just going to be piping everything. That means attaching the piping at the bottom of it so that I'll be able to squeeze it out and attach it wherever I want to put it, basically. So cut off the little bit of the bottom, add the piping tip down there. You see the pink one is mainly filled up with air. Yeah, that's going to be a lot of problems later on. But what could I have done? Nothing. Pretty sure I could have just pop a hole in it. It would definitely got much messier, but it would have released some of the air that's inside of it, but I did not. So you live and you learn through your mistakes. Now I'm going in with the white as well, adding on the piping tip. I should have tested these out, meaning that I should have tried putting on some decorating to see how everything would be looking before starting directly onto the hat. Try practicing, seeing how it would be looking, but I did not. I just went straight onto the hat. And then that's where all the mistakes starts to happen. So yeah. And also I'm getting a brighter pink decorating, but it was kind of drying out, so I had to cut it up a little bit. It still turned out fine, I guess. It was just very chunky. That's what happens when you just leave them out like that. Da-da-da-da. Where's the pink decorating? Voila, here it is. So these are the 3 colors that we're going to be using. And immediately I just started going around the corner. This part was looking good. This looks good. And then it just got so messy. Keep in mind that this video is very sped up. But yeah. Oops. Like I said, the pink one has a ton of air in it, so a lot of air is going to be coming out. Now for the corners up top, I decided to do a little squiggly. Squiggly. Oh, this looks such a mess. And now I need to go around the brim of the hat. I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of some white and pink, just mix up both of my colors together. Maybe if I wasn't rushing, this would have looked better, but I was rushing a lot. So around the corners, the edge of the hat, I'm going in with some pink, and then I'm going to go over it again with some white. I honestly didn't know what I was doing here. I didn't know what I was doing throughout everything, honestly. But you live and you learn. So I'm putting some pink up top. Wherever the pink is, that's where I'm going to add the cherries. Just pop the cherries on there. Yeah, voila. Now I decided to go on in there with the white chunky glitter. Just add a little glitter all over it. This got absolutely messy. Then I went in with a little bit more of some white because I thought that space looked very empty. So now I'm going to finish around the corner. Going in with some pink. And this is where I started to kind of run out. I was worried that I wouldn't have enough to fill it up. So then it just started getting messier, and then the space in between everything. Yeah. Adding some glitter on top of the pink. Next, I'm just going to be going in with some white in between all of that little space. Gorgeous. Now I'm going to add a little bit of some decorative, like right in the center, right in the back. Then I'm going to add the cherries on top of those. And right up top in the middle, just pop on there the cherries. And this is pretty much it. I'm going to let everything sit and cure overnight for, just to say 2 days or 1 day, whichever one works for you. Also, I add a little bit of heart in the in the middle of the hat. Obviously, the heart did not turn out great. It did not. I should have filled it in maybe more of the decorative. So I didn't dust off the glitter. So when I was showing you guys the hat outside, all of the glitter just started to float. What do you say? Oh my God, what is the word? Just to fly away off the hat, basically, because I didn't dust off anything, which was perfect for me. But this is just how it turned out. It turned out absolutely gorgeous. The bottom, the top. It looks cute. And there's my little heart that is so stunned. Well, yeah. It's glittery. It's shiny. It's cute. It's okay for my first try. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.